Hello students, welcome to online classes of Senstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start ninth part of chapter 6, multiples and factors. In the previous video, we have learned how to find multiples and factors. Now, in this video, we will learn how to find SCF and LCM of given numbers. Okay. See the first example. Find SCF by prime factorization method. See, you know how to find SCF by prime factorization method. In this method, first of all, find the prime factor separately. See how? First of all, for 81, then 20, and then 30. See, 2 nines are 18. Then next 3 threes are 9, then 3 ones are 3. See, 18 is divided by 2, that is like 2 nines are 18, then 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Now in this 3 sevens are 21, then 7 ones are 7. See, 21 is not divided by 2, that is why next number is that is 3, so 3 sevens are 21. Now in this 30 is divided by 2, 2 15s are 30. Then 3 5 are 15 and 5 ones are 5. Now write down in front of 18. See, factor of 18 is 2, 3 and 3. Factor of 21 is 3 and 7. Factor of 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. See which number is common between these factors in 18, 21 and 30. See, 2 is here and here also, but not in 21. So next digit is 3, 3, 3 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 is common between all the factors of 18, 21 and 30. Now next again 3, but 3 is not in this and not in 30 also. Next 7 is in 21 again, 21 only, 5 is in 30 only. So SCF is 3. So factor SCF of 18, 21 and 30 by PFM, prime factorization method, is 3. Okay. Now solve for B. Again, first of all find the prime factor of 144 separately, 128 and 200. See, 144, 128 and 200. Okay, clear? Now 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. When you divide 124 by 2, then you will get 72. Okay, next 2 36 are 72. Again divide this 72 by 2, then you will get 36 as quotient. Next 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Is it clear? See, 144 is divided by 2 because the last digit is 4, then we get 72. Again the last digit is 2, again divided by 2, then we get 36. You can do this division in rough. Okay. Then 2 18s are 36. You know the table of 18. 18 to the 36. Then 9 to the 18. 3 to the 9. 3 to the 3. Now divide this 2 128. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. See, 1 2 8. See, 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. In this way you can divide the number also. Okay. Now again 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again, clear? Now 2 16s are, because if you know the table of 16, then you know that 16 to the 32. Now next 2 8 are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Last number is 200, 2 hundreds are. Clear? Then 2 50s are, then 2 25, then 5 1s are, 5 5s are, and then 5 1s are. Now write down 144 is equals to 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, and then 2 times 3, 128 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 times 2 only, 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now in 200, 3 times 2 and 2 times 5. Now circle the common factors. See, 1 2 3, then 5 is there but not in 128 124. See, 2 is there and in 128 also, but we take common between all the numbers. If we take like this A or A, then these two is common between only in 144 and 128, not in 200. See, there are only 3 2's and we have taken that 2. So the SCF is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 8. SCF of 144, 128 and 200 is 8 only. Okay, this type of method is called prime factorization method. Okay, now I am going to solve this question by division method also. Okay, see, if the question is find SCF by prime factorization method and division method. See the difference. If the question is find SCF by PFM, we have done by PFM method, now by division method. So first of all, divide the smallest number, divide the smaller number by the smallest number. 18 is smallest and 21 is second smaller number. Now divide it. 18 ones are 18. Now we have 3 as remainder, and according to the division method of SCF, the remainder becomes divisors for previous divisor. The previous divisor in this is 18, 3 6 are 18. Now we have 3 as SCF of 18 and 21 only. Now divide this 30 by 3. 3 10s are 30. 3 1s are 3. Now 0, 3 0s are 0. So the SCF is 3, and same with the help of PFM we have done, the SCF is 3. Okay, now see, in this question the SCF of 144 and 128 and 200 is 8. Now I am going to solve by division method. Okay, see the solution by division method. Remember this, SCF is 8, okay, of 144 128 200. See, I told you now, divide the smallest divide the smaller number by the smallest number. See, in this 144 128 200, 128 is smallest. See, don't check by order like this 18 is smallest because it is in first, but in this second number, that is 128, that is the smallest number in 154, 128 and 200. So divide 154 by 128. Okay, and you know the SCF is 8. Okay, remember that. 128 ones are 128. Now subtract 40 minus 8 is 6. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we have 16 as remainder, and according to the division method, 16 is SCF. Sorry, 16 is divisor for previous divisor. Now 16 is 60, 16 5 is 80. Now 16 8s are 128. Okay. Now we have 0 as remainder. It means 16 is the SCF of 128 and 144. But question is find the SCF of these three numbers. It means included is 200 also. So divide 200 by 16. 16 ones are 16. Now 4 0. 16 2s are 32. Now we have 8, and you know the remainder becomes divisor for previous divisor, that is 16. 8 2s are 16. So the SCF is same as prime factorization method, that is 8. Okay, in this way we can find SCF by prime factorization method and division method. Okay, clear? Now we will take one more example. By division method. See the first. 360 and 420. Find the SCF of these two numbers. See which number is smaller? 360. So divide the larger number by smaller number. 360 ones are 360. Now subtract 0. 12 and 6 is 6. We have 60 as remainder, and 60 becomes divisor for previous divisor. 360, 66 are 360. So the SCF is 60. Clear? Now, next question. Find LCM by prime factorization method. First example, 120, 144, 180. Now how to find LCM by PFM method? See, first of all, same as SCF of PFM. SCF by PFM. It means find the factors separately. Okay, see. 120, 144 and 180. Okay. See, 2 6 are 12, 2 0 is 0. 2 3 are 6, 2 0 0. 2 15 are 30, then 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5. In this way, we can find the SCF, factors of 120. Now, 144. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. You know that how to find this factor? Then last digit number is 180, 2 9s are 18, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Then you know 45 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is not 2 4 6 8 0. Last digit is 5, but the sum of the digit is 4 plus 5 9, and you know if the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. You know that? Then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now 120 is equals to 1 2 3. 3 times 2, 1 times 3 and 1 times 5. Then 124, 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2, 4 times 2, then 2 times 3. Next 180, 1 times 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 times 5. Okay. Now according to Frank-Perez method of LCM, first of all take the common numbers. LCM, take the common numbers and write them one time like SCM. Now again 2 is common. Now 3. See 1 2 and 3. Write here 3 now. Plus. Now 2 is there but not in this. It means we have taken the all common between these 3 numbers. Now take the number which is more than one time. See 2 is here and here also. So write here one time. Then 5 is here and here also. Then write one time. Then again see 3 is repeating here and here. So write here 3 again. Then whatever is left, only 2 is left. So write them also. Clear? See again. First of all, take common numbers. 2 is common, write one time. Again 2 is common, write one time. See this 3 and this is common in 120, 124 and 180. 3, 3 and 3. That is why write one time. Then take the number which is more than one time. Okay? See 1 and 2 common, write it one time. Then 3 is 5, 2 is also common. So 2 is common again. Then 5 is here and here also. So I then have 5. Then again 3. Which 3? Now this one. This and this. See, we have taken this 3 now. See the tip? We have taken this 3 as common between these 3 numbers. Now this 3 which is in 124 and 180. This one is also common. So write again. And the last digit which is not common in any number, that is 2. So write it also. Clear? Now the product of these numbers is the LCM of 120, 124 and 180. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay? So write here 2 to the 4 is 12 to the 24. 24 multiplied by 5 is the 15 and 15 to the 30. So 24 multiplied by 30 is equals to 720. So 720 is the LCM of 120, 144 and 180. Clear? In this way we can find the LCM of given numbers by prime factorization method. Now next 112, 84 and 266. Okay, now 112, 84 and 266. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Clear? Next 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 14s are, then 2 7s are, and then 7 1s. Clear? Now 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Okay. Next 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7. Okay. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. 133 now. You know that this number 133 is divisible by 7. 7 is the 7 and then 7 nines are 63. See, when you divide 133 by 7, 7 is the 7, 31 7 is 6, then we have 3, 63, 7 6 are, sorry, 7 9 are 63. Okay, so 19 and 19 is a prime number, so 19 ones are 19. Clear? Now LCM 112 is equals to 4 times 2 and 1 times 7. 84 is equals to 2 times 2, 1 times 3 and 1 times 7. And 266 is equals to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 19. Now LCM, again same process, take the common numbers 2, then 7, 7 and 7. So write here 7. Again you can see 2 is common between 112 and 84. Write it also. Then 1, 2 and 3 and 19. 2 into 2 into 3 into 19. These number are left, which is not common in any number like 112, 84 and 266. Now the product of these numbers is the LCM of 112, 84 and 266. 2 sevens are 14, 14 twos are 28. Multiply by 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Multiply by 9. See, 2 sevens are 14, 14 twos are 28, 2 twos are 4, threes are 12 and 19. Now multiply 28 into 12. 8 to the 16, carry 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Now 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2. 6, 8 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 336. The product of 28 and 12 is 336. Now multiply 336 into 19. 9 6 are 54, carry 5. 9 3 are 27 plus 5, 32, carry 3. 9 3 are 27 plus 3, 30. See again, 9 6 are 54, carry 5. 9 6 3 are 27 plus 5 is 32, carry 3 now. 9 3 are 27 plus 3, 30. B1 place for 10th place 336 because 1s are 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3, 1 3 are 3. Add these numbers 8, 3 and 6. So the LCM of 112, 84 and 266 is 6384. Here in this way we can find the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Now remember this number 720 and 6384. Okay. The LCM is 720 and 6384. Now I'm going to solve this question by division method. Okay. Now you know the answer is 720 and 6384. According to the division method, we will write the numbers together to find LCM. See, 120, 144 and 180. You know the answer is 720. Okay. See, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, and 2 9 are 18, 0. Okay. In this way, we can take the numbers together, then divide by the same number. 2 6 are 12, 2 0 0, 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18, and 0. Again, 2 3 are 6, 2 36 are 72, then 45. See, now 45 is not divided by 2, but 30 36 is divided by 2. So divide by 2 again, 15, 18, and 45. Now 15 and 45 both are not divided by 2. So now divide this 18 only. 2 9 is 18. Now 15, 9 and 45 all are divided by 3. So 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9, 3 15 is 45. Okay. Now again by 3, 5, 1 and 5. Now 5 ones are 1 are. So the LCM 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 2 times 3, and 1 times 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 multiplied by 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. Now multiply 16 to 45. 6 5 is 30, carry 3. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27. Now 45, 0, 2 and 7. So the LCM of 120, 112 and 180 is 720 by division method, and we have this answer by PFM method also. Is it correct? Okay. Now same question by division method. See, again write them together. 112, 84, 266. Now 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 1 3 3, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. Now 56 and 42 both are divided by 2. So 2 28 are 56. 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. 133 is not divided by 2, so write as it is 133. 28 is divided by 2, so 2 14s are 21 as it is, 133 as it is. Now 2 7 are 14, 21, 133. Now 3 7 are 21, 133 is not divided by 3 also. Now 7 is 7, 7 is 7, and you know, when you divide 123 by 7, then you will get 19. Now by 19, 1, 1 and 1. LCM is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. Then 1 times 3, 1 times 7 and 1 times 9. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 is the 24, 24 to the 72. See, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 48, multiply by 19 7 is 133. See, 19 7 is 133, and 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 is 48. Now multiply 133 into 48. 8 is 24, carry 2. 8 is 24 plus 2, 26. Again carry 2. 8 was 8 plus 2, 10. Now 4 is 12, carry 1. 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1. 4 was 4 plus 1, 5. Now 4, 8, 3, 6. So the LCM of 112, 84 and 266 is 6384. Okay, in this way we can find LCM by division method. See, division method is easy in SCF and LCM, but we will solve by division method if the question is find LCM or SCF by division method. If the question is find LCM by prime factorization method, then we will have to find by prime factorization method. If question is find LCM, okay, then you can use any method, means division method or PFM method. Okay, clear? Similarly in LCM also, if question is find LCM, then you can use division method or PFM method. But division method is very easy in LCM and SCF. Okay, so you can use this method always. Okay, if the question is find LCM or find SCF. Clear?